Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public.
Hi everyone. Today we have with us Ferry Prins, who is a group leader at the Condensed Matter Physics Center at the Autonomous University of Madrid in Spain. Hi Ferry, how are you?
Good. Thanks for having me.
Great. Let's get started with understanding your research. So could you explain your research to us in super simple words, please?
Yeah, so the research that we do in my group focuses a little bit on trying to improve our understanding and our control over optoelectronic properties of materials, nanostructured materials, and as well a little bit how they are connected to devices. Because these materials, the nanomaterials, they are very complex, they are not perfect at all. If you want to use them in devices, there's 1,000 ways of losing your charge carriers or your energy. And you want to kind of try to avoid that. So what we are hoping to do with our work is to combine materials development with a lot of different types of time-resolved microscopy and spectroscopy techniques to improve this understanding and then go back to the design of the materials to improve their performance. And this is, for instance, important for solar cells or solid-state lighting kind of devices. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's interesting. So, of all the things that you said, the things that definitely stuck with me are microscopic images and spectroscopic, because that means that there would be a lot of nice images and graphs.
Colorful images, yes. We always try to make colorful images. This is
colorful images. Also,
a good part of doing optics, yes.
Absolutely. So, what can the followers expect in the week that you will take over the Real Scientist Nano account?
Yeah, so I want to give people a little bit of a background of how I ended up here, because I ended up here coming from synthetic chemistry, so it's a very non-linear career path, I would say, now being much more in physics. It'll be the Monday. Then I want to talk a little bit about what I mean, with like all these time-resolved microscopy and spectroscopy tools, how we use those to really make little movies of how energy moves in these kind of materials. We also do a lot of nanofabrication, actually. So we try to also control how light interacts with these materials by introducing structure and stuff like that. So that will be another day of different posts. And then I want to talk a little bit about what it is, or how my experience has been in building up a new lab. So being on a tenure track and having to start from scratch, building up all the equipment, also all the new experiences of being kind of in charge, for the first time. And then as a final thing that I wanted to discuss a little bit is my PhD work, which was again on a different kind of topic, where I worked in single molecule electronics. So trying to build transistors out of individual molecules, which is a very interesting but also very difficult topic.
Okay. So there's going to be a lot that you're going to talk about, touch upon a lot of things. That sounds amazing. Well, looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano. Thank you very much, Ferry, for speaking with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.